Do you regret not paying attention in class this year?
I wish I paid attention to Deborah.
Are you sick of study resources that just don't work?
This study resource isn't working at all.
Or are you sick of your friend Becky?
Honestly, I'm just planning on winging it.
Then we've got the product for you.
Hi, I'm Mackenzie from StudyTime.
I'm Jordan from StudyLink.
Hi, I'm Taylor from StudyTime.
I'm Jordan from Khan Academy.
Hi, I'm Becky and I don't know anything for the exam.
Hi Hungry, I'm Dad.
Hi, I'm Paula Bennett.
I'm Seymour. I'm the Right Honourable Sir Bill English. No, I'm not.
No, you're not!
You're not. How much do you actually plan on doing these holidays, Becky?
Absolutely nothing.
So how about you crawl out of bed, put down to all the boys I've loved before, and do something productive these holidays?
Come join us at our StudyTime workshops.
This will not be your average biology lesson with your middle-aged teacher, Deborah.
Or Sandra.
Oh, Sandra. Instead, in one day, you can completely learn everything you need to know for your exams.
Our workshops have in them resources, our wonderful faces, some other tutors that are also going to help you in understanding everything that you need for externals.
You forgot banter.
There will also be banter.
I promise you it will be fun, and it will also be the most productive thing you've ever done this year. So grab your mates, grab your pen, grab your mum's credit card,
And head over to the StudyTime website to book in for all the external practice that you'd ever need. I'm personally attacked by that and I don't. I'll be filing charges.